welcome to the vlog. A rattly workbench. A little bit of another road trip type vlog. We're not going far. We're going to get an air conditioner. I'm trying to get an air conditioner, just a simple window one for the shop. And saw some on sale at Canadian Tire and went online, bought one just over a week ago, and did the I'll pick it up in store thing. So I waited until 2 days ago when I got an email back from Canadian Tire saying, "We've canceled your order, hooray!" And I called Canadian Tire and asked them why they did that. And what happened was they sold my air conditioner. Jeez, that drives me crazy. Yeah, there were 9 in stock. I bought one, so there should have been 8 in stock after that, and they shouldn't have sold it, but they did. And their only solution is sorry, and that's it. They're not going to do anything. So, thanks, Canadian Tire. Can you see the air conditioner? There it is. So, $100. I've got another air conditioner, or I've got a air conditioner. The whole idea for this is keep the humidity down and yeah, make it a little nicer in the shop. Not that it gets crazy warm, but the humidity can be a problem sometimes. So this will fix it, and it saves me getting a dehumidifier. Never really liked the idea of having something that heats up the room just to get rid of the humidity. Look, there's a cute little blue sailboat behind me. Yeah, let's go home, get some stuff put in the boat, and then go to the yacht club. Boy, does this ever tone nice. It's yeah, it tows really nicely. No bouncing like the utility trailer. Look, the back porch is pretty well cleaned out. Got a chair, table. We'll have another chair in a bit. Yeah, so getting ready for summer. Let's. I've loaded the car. I've got the boat. Let's head out to the club.
Oh.
I didn't get to say action. Action. That's the good stuff.
No. The other stuff is the good stuff. The other stuff.
It's stuff, Jazz. It's sunblock.
No, the other
Put it
one.
on. Well, that's what we got. Yeah, it's probably enough, actually. That stuff goes a long ways.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, what jobs are there?
There's no jobs. The job is fix the dock with Daddy. And the other job is wash the boat.
So it's individual. Well, I'm confused because. Okay, then. Yes.
Yesterday there were jobs. Today, yesterday the jobs were done. We did everything yesterday. Pretty well, anyways. Today, it's just like the yacht club's open for normal use. But it's not normal. It's a little messed up. My mask smelled like what? Pepperoni?
No, it smells like chemicals.
Chinese flowers. What did you do?
I washed it really good. Nice smelling soap.
Nice.
Oh, and we have to go to, on the way home, we should go to grocery store and get some washing stuff for the laundry because we have to do laundry and we don't have any soap.
We don't have any soap. Okay, well, we'll leave that for Mommy. He parks right where I'm gonna go through.
Huh?
Oh. He parked where I was gonna go.
He's like watching.
Yeah.
What's I doing in my car?
Well, we won't hit it that hard.
Hit it that. No, that's not funny. That's not a funny thing to say.
Here, let's fix this. Where?
Oh yeah, I
Right
think
there.
that's the same one I
Look
saw.
at the size. That's my finger. That's a big spider.
I think that's the same one that
You want to name them?
No.
Oh.
Call him mean.
So there's our new skirting on the dock. We had to take all that off. It's held on by a board underneath here. So it's nailed on upside down and then a board's put on and then we just drape it over. And I've got a few loose barrels. Well, kind of. I want to put a few more straps on, so I'll get some stainless all around and do that. That's just cold rolled steel stuff. So all my barrels are held in by at least one strap, but I gotta get some more on. There were 2x4s underneath, held on to the barrels with other straps. They disintegrated because, you know, why wouldn't they? Sitting in the lake all year. So I'm not going to put 2x4s on anymore because they were to make it slide off the trailer easier. What I am going to do is just put new straps on, or more straps, and plop it in. Still have to put the carpet on there because that's nasty. Okay, let's pick up our screws, get moving. Okay, go ahead. You didn't just park in the way. Let's go park this. We're out of time for today.
Really?
I am. I got other stuff to do. Other commitments.
It's only 1:30.
Yeah. Oh, Ellen. Saying that. Okay.
That's so funny. Right where you parked is in the way. I'm gonna turn this thing off now.
Wrong button, took a picture. Okay, we are out of here.
Alan's gonna close the gate, right?
No, you're gonna close the gate. Or Mommy's gonna close the gate. Isn't she nice?
Thanks, Mom.
Love ya.
Bye.
Okay. Well, I hope your mom can figure out the garbage cans. It's a hillbilly cam.
Why are you videoing? Why are you videoing?
Ah, why not? guy with the weed eater. Nope, or the girl with the weed eater. It's a weed eater person. Tough to tell. Somebody with a weed eater. This is the lineup of cars coming into the conservation area. Because it opens today. Well, I guess it opened yesterday. We were here yesterday. There's nobody in the gatehouse. Now there's a traffic jam.
My
Your foot's doing what?
no, my shoe was too. It was really tight. I did my shoelaces
You didn't get
really
a
tight.
caterpillar in there.
No,
Oh, good.
because then I would have a giant rash.
Oh. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Good. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. What I was trying to say is, I put my shoe on way too tight, and now I have a giant red mark.
But don't do that.
I didn't mean to.
No. Can you smell that? It's hot and ready pizza. Yummy. Okay, let's go
I'm hungry.
home. Get some food in this. Well, back at home in the garage. I took the power washer out there today to power wash the boat, but we don't have the water turned on for some reason. So the boat's gonna have to wait. I'm not gonna put it in the state it is because it's a mess. It's been underneath trees. So, well, we'll get to that sometime this week maybe. Thanks for watching. Click clicky things. Get your boat in.